The mean of 1, 2, x, 11, y, and 14 arranged in ascending order is 8, and the median is 9. Find the value of x and y. What they are saying that this data has been arranged already. That means according to question, 1 plus 2 plus x plus 11 plus y plus 14. The average is 8. Now let's just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observation. So all over 6. So now let us do something now. So let us add now. So x plus y plus 11 plus 14, 25. All the things here will be 28 all over 6 equals to 8. Let us go further. That means x plus y equals to 6 times 8 is 48. So 48 minus 20. So x plus y equals to minus 28. So x plus y is equal to 20. Now we call it question 1. So we are done now with the first statement. Let's go to the other. They say that the median is 9. The median means the number at the center. If you arrange and the center is the median, and there are 6 observations, so we now pick the 2 and get the average. So x and 11 are the one at the center. That means x plus 11 all over 2 will be equals to 9. So x plus 11 will be equals to 9 times 2. So x plus 11 will be equals to 18. Let us continue and find the value of x here. So x now will be equals to 18 minus 11. So x equals 18 minus 11 is 7. So we are happy. The value of x here is 7. Now let us use this to find the value of y in equation 2 here. So for equation 2, since x is 7, so we now replace x with 7. So 7 plus y equals to 20. So y equals to 20 minus 7. So y equals to 13. So we're happy. So in summary, the value of x is 7 and y is 13. And that is the final answer.